There are two kinds of HDMI cables, copper and fiber. Copper HDMI cables are heavier and thicker, but fiber optic HDMI cables are lighter, thinner, and future-ready. This HDMI fiber cable with 2mm diameter, elegant design, is perfect for video creation, gaming, and more applications. This 8K fiber optic HDMI cable offers ultra flexibility, elegance, and easy bending and installation. When tested on 8K TV, this 8K HDMI fiber cable delivers 48 gigabit PBS bandwidth, true 8K, 60 Hz resolution, stable and zero loss transmission. Want to know more about this cable? Leave a comment.